So hi guys, so welcome back to another vlog. So guys, on today's video, so today it's the day that we are going to Pampanga, Angeles City. So yeah.
Where the chicks are, where the baby roonies are.
Yeah, it's a lot of baby loonies right there. So as you can see, that's our luggage. So we are ready.
Oh, let's go.
So from here to Cubao, travel from here to Cubao and then Cubao to Pampanga. So let's go guys. Time for action.
Te conocí en el pariseo, en la noche de preseo, baby. De ti yo me acuerdo como si fuera ayer, baby. Te apuesto por la vuelta, contigo estoy envuelta. Que el DJ ponga la lenta y escapate, baby. Piénsalo tú y yo conociéndonos un poquito más. En privadito pa' no quiero sobrepensar. Contigo quiero jugar y quiero ganar. Piénsalo tú y yo conociéndonos un poquito más.
Alright guys, so we are here at the taxi. So we choose Cubao. From Cubao to Pampanga than Pasay because Pasay is more far from Pasay to Pampanga.
Yeah,
So a lot of our friends tell us that it's better to get from Cubao to Pampanga because it's a lot of option. The bus over there and it's every 1 hour that bus available to go to Pampanga or anywhere. Then Pasay every 2 hours. I mean that's what they said. So we're gonna try because the last time when we went to Baguio, we went to Pasay. So this time we're gonna try the Cubao terminal from our place. So yeah. So right now it's not traffic actually. So it's probably gonna take us mga ilang minuto kuya from Makati tayo sa Cubao.
30 minutes. Maybe, yeah. 30 minutes.
Yeah, it's like 30 minutes we're gonna reach the Cubao terminal because it's not traffic. Otherwise, it's probably gonna take us like 45 minutes or yeah, so yeah. We finally found a right taxi driver, right?
Yeah. It's
A
clean,
nice, clean,
smells good, and has an AC.
and it's
Working
working
AC.
properly. So let's go.
Look, this guy driving. Is it legal to drive on the highway over here?
I think so.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it is.
As long as the
It's cool. Look at
Yeah.
that.
It looks like,
It's like you does adventure, right?
Yeah.
When you go to Boracay, we
Look-
ride this one.
Yeah.
ATV? This is ATV.
ATV, but this is all, but this is modified.
yeah.
This is modified. I can see the
It's
exhaust.
like you're traveling with adventure.
Yeah.
Looks how cool it is.
And the guy makes sure that only he can go. He don't have no room for his girlfriend. He don't want no girlfriend.
Ang tambutso niya, dalawa no, sa likod.
No, he's only taking school.
It's two. What you call it? The one that's come out, the smoke is two.
Yeah, two exhaust silencers.
Yeah.
Whatever, yeah.
It's cool. Look how cool, you know.
Yep. Let's see how fast he can go.
I think it's not too fast.
Not too fast.
Yeah.
Mm.
If that's too fast, let's say.
He's wearing Dr. Martin shoes. Looks like he's wearing Dr. Martin.
Okay.
How's the bus? Nice, man? okay over here this far?
Yeah.
Paib na kayo, Lanzones, Laguna. Palaga po na kayo. Dami sir, ma'am, oh. Lanzones, madam. Laguna native. Kaya naman. Hindi pa. Sandala, mahal po.
Alright guys, we are here at the bus.
We are in the bus.
So we choose this 5-star. It's supposed to be a Victoria Life, but I guess whatever's come first. So as long as
The conductor was there.
come out from the taxi, whether it comes first. Yeah, and the bus is not that bad.
Same, as long as the aircon works.
Yeah. Because there's two kinds of bus. The one that's regular and this one. The one without wheels.
He's gonna go straight, I hope. I didn't ask him that. I should have asked him, he's gonna go straight, right?
Yeah, no. This bus is going to other place, but it's not going down.
So he's gonna make stops?
All of
Still
the
okay?
bus will stop.
Oh, yeah?
For example, the bus going to Olongapo, it will
I'm
stop.
still gonna stop somewhere.
So, all to the transportation is and it only take us like I think 35 minutes and look at the time. It's
He
35
said 20 minutes, yeah. He
No,
said,
from our place to this.
oh yeah, no traffic today. We were lucky, no traffic.
And after, in 20 minutes, this bus will be here. Every minutes more. Go! Look at this
Huh? Vendors, yeah. Vendors. The what? Who? Who's not? The vendor?
Yeah.
Why? What is it? What is
I
it?
said, you will be
Huh?
sure one time. I said, we are
For
going
what?
somewhere. We're not gonna eat that.
What is trying to say?
Keep forcing me to buy the lanson. I said, you're going somewhere, not going home. And he said, you can give to your neighbor. I said, we are not going home.
Asking why should I buy from a neighbor? I don't even know him. I don't know my neighbor.
Alright, so hopefully we're leaving in 15 minutes.
Ibig mo naman, ibig sabihin ikaw ang pinaka. Hey guys, I'm here at Gate.
To go bathroom,
You want to go bathroom?
then that's where we go, right?
Yeah.
Alaminos, Puligaw. Alaminos po dyan, Alaminos.
So alright guys, so we are here at the old terminal.
Dagupan ba kayo, ma'am? Dagupan? Sige.
Dito lang po kami. So, we wait here like more than 2 hours.
What's the time?
Right now, it's what time now?
Is it 4 o'clock? So you're about 2 hours.
Yeah, it is 2 hours from Cubao terminal to the old terminal. So yeah, so right now, we're gonna get a taxi to go to our hotel.
I don't know if there's any taxis over here, but we'll find out.
taxi or tricycle.
Drivers. Yeah, taxi drivers, they like.
Depend what we're gonna get. But the last time we get bicycle, but that was
Yeah.
expensive.
No, that's what they ask them, and then ask them how much should it be. It's like 2.5 kilometers from here. So roughly how much should it be, so we have an idea.
Okay, so yeah. So this is the hotel we have. So yeah. Let's go and get the taxi.
Alaminol!
I'm fine.
Just tell him breakfast. So,
Okay.
but ask him how much.
Yeah, we'll ask first before we
Yeah,
get.
of course. See, you ask that. Yeah. Is
What
there
the-
next? Is there a line? Right?
Wait, let me ask first, Jano.
You know the Drake's Hotel? Drake's Hotel, you know that?
Alam mo po, kuya? Sa Breaks Hotel po.
You have the address, give him the address.
Dalanan niya.
You speak
Ano po?
English, you speak
How far daw po?
You ask him.
Gano'n daw katagal galing sa Breaks Hotel to Walking Street?
Dadaanan niyo yung pizza din yung
Ah,
Ituro mo yung walking street. Malayo yung ano ma'am.
malayong Walking Street.
Opo, medyo malayo.
Medyo malayo. Maybe mga 10 minutes.
Mga 10 minutes. Walking po ba yun o by tricycle?
Kung magka-tricycle lang po kayo, saglit lang.
Ah, okay.
May tricycle
From the hotel to walking.
Ah, okay.
Ituro mo sa
Just like 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes from the hotel.
So where we go? Put it here? Okay, come.
Alright, so we get the tricycle
There's no
or
taxis here.
taxicle.
No taxi here.
And we get the reasonable price, which
Yeah.
is
I thought it was going to be this much, you know.
200 pesos
Yeah.
from the terminal to Drake Hotel. So yeah, but I think my friends already tell me that every time we'll get the tricycle is 200. Remember when we
yeah.
get from Walking Street to my friends,
So that was far,
they're
I
just
think.
200.
But that I think is far. This is,
Yeah, but we never know how far is that.
this is about 2.5 kilometers. That one I think was further. Okay, it's fine. It doesn't matter. Don't matter.
And look at
Got it.
our taxicle. Oh, it has to go.
Yeah, I don't like this. Cannot believe I don't like.
Mostly tricycle, they don't have a door like this.
Even they should have an option, you know.
Yeah, it is very small, but yeah, that's the tricycle here in the Philippines.
Strange, you don't see no taxis here.
Yeah, there's no taxi here in the hotel.
Very hard to find a taxi.
Here in Pampanga. Yeah, it's really difficult to find a taxi from here. Mostly it's a tricycle.
Yep.
So that's why sometimes, you know, if they see you different color, the price go up. So let the Filipina. So finally guys, we are here at Pampanga. Amin is Pampanga. As you can see, we stay in this hotel called Drake Hotel.
Yeah, Drake Hotel. Next to Red Planet.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So
it
if
is,
somebody
Red
wants to
Planet.
know, next to Red Planet, Hilltop Hotel, and they have a, what do you call a ATM, 24-hour ATM.
This hotel they have ATM 24 hours. You guys know what is
They have a Papi's Bar and Grill, which is supposed to be, the food's supposed to be good.
Yeah. And we just reached like 30 minutes ago, but then my phone got low, so I need to charge it first. And then I'm kind of hungry, so we're gonna order some food for snack only because later on we're gonna have dinner. We don't know yet, probably Indian food. So yeah, so this is a Greek hotel, but then I'm gonna make a separate video of this room tour, guys. Let you guys have an idea about this hotel. So yeah, I'm gonna
Even
make
next door is the
separate
hotel.
for
So
me.
why resort next door?
This resort. Tip Tap? No.
Okay, why something is there? This is all hotels in a row. It looks like.
Yeah, Savannah.
Yeah, Savannah. That one is Leah
Robert Hotel. So yeah, it's like they are like next to each other, like close to each other. Like you know, you have a lot of option of this hotel. I mean this area, this street, like all of that hotel. So yeah, so finally we are here, and tomorrow is another hotel.
Yeah, we only here for one night. Yeah, only here one night because we want to check other hotels.
Yeah.
So tomorrow morning we check out, go to this other hotel. It's called Prime Asia. That one is supposedly good. It has a rooftop, a pool,
Cool, yeah.
and the room also is supposed to, you know, it looks nice in the pictures. Let's see, we'll find out tomorrow. Yeah, this one is, you know, I mean, the name is there, but it's kind of basic for me. This hotel is kind of basic for me, but if you walk in, the prices are quite good. I booked through Agoda, so I paid like $51 a night, and I don't think it's worth $50 a night. But walk-in is only 1,300 pesos, like 1,200 something pesos.
Yeah,
For the same room.
For standard.
Same. I thought I booked deluxe, but I don't know what I booked.
Yeah, you book standard.
This is standard.
But anyway, I'm gonna make another new video of this hotel, Drake Hotel room tour.
Yeah, we'll do the room.
We have 4 kinds of room actually. So yeah, I'm gonna make a new video of that. So now,
Just walk in.
so yeah,
through
we
the-
go inside.
Walk in through the main.
So this is that's the what that Papi's Bar and Chill. Oh, so this hotel, if you don't want to go out, you just want to
Yeah, the food is
hang out, they have also bar and chill. Yeah, and their food is great for
Yeah, the food is all Western.
Western food.
It's good.
Yeah.
Food is supposed to be Western food because the owners are from US.
Yeah.
They are from the US.
And-
Just, I guess they moved here, settled down here now.
And they are also a vlogger.
So,
Okay, so yeah, let's go inside.
yeah.
So this is the entrance, and that's Kuya.
That's Kuya with the big gun. Here's the gun. With the big gun. On the other side.
Big
With the
gun.
long gun you had, like, you know. But not you. Okay. Thank you.
So
I
this
was
is
looking
the
for the other
library.
Kuya with the big gun, you know. He had a big gun when I came here like this.
So we are just waiting for our food.
Am I still safe or what? Oh, I'm from New York. Yeah. Oh, good evening to you, lovely ladies. What's your name? Smiley face? Easy? She's the hard one? Very easy, she's hard, huh?
Easy
Oh,
and
your name is Easy? And what about you? Lizelle. Easy and Lizelle. They both are working here on duty today.
yeah.
Okay. So let's see what you want, and then she wants to do her nails, so we're gonna just go up there.
Yep. Also the bar is right there, and also
Yeah,
restaurant.
you can just show them around a bit. Just show them around, and then we just sit down.
This is the lobby.
This year.
But this one there's no elevator, so you need to climb stairs until a 3rd floor.
That's when I know the name.
So this one has a until 3rd floor.
White is Filipino. They both are. Lizana Easy. see, babe.
You're gonna dip it? The
Oh, I see. I get it. Okay.
And what is this?
San Miguel beer!
Oh, this is okay. I thought this is something also different because I never heard about this before.
Oh, there, yeah. Because
So I want to make sure, you know.
Yeah.
This I know from my country, from US. So this I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me, I don't know yet. It's
No,
my
she don't
first
know that,
time
so I
gonna
told her
try
to try
this
this.
one.
So in US, when they serve this, no.
Not that I'm aware of. No. I only used to buy this. It used to be a little bit smaller, but fat, thick,
Alright, yeah.
thick. Lot of meat, lot of over there. But this looks good,
Alright.
and your prices are very reasonable over here.
Yeah, not bad for the price.
Yeah. Is this ketchup or no?
Ketchup. You want any mayonnaise as well?
No, no mayonnaise, right? Mayonnaise, no.
No,
Maybe
I'm
some
fine.
salt over here or no?
For me, I'm okay.
Oh, it is okay.
Alright.
When she drinks margarita, she won't even know
Okay,
the
here's
taste.
the salt and pepper case. You did it?
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Yeah. All right, dig in.
So not bad, huh?
Yeah, not bad.
It's, we say that it's just for a snack, but
I
it
know.
look like this is not just for a snack.
So you can cut it. Come.
Yeah, so let's eat, guys.
Really? You don't know what's hungry. But when I see food, I eat.
Look like I'm gonna dip like this.
Yeah. Soup.
Not bad.
No. How much?
129.
129.
Not only that, the margarita,
This I don't know. The margarita soda.
199.
The regular price 199. Right now they have like a happy hour is 25% off. Not half, but 25.
Yeah.
Only 150 pesos.
This. And the last time we went to
G-point.
G-Point,
350.
350.
You know, that's a club.
But yeah, I mean that's also Manila. But they supposed to be the same price. But maybe in walking straight is different price. This is like it is in the hotel.
Drink it. It's good.
I like also big dip.
Oh yeah, dip. Okay. I don't think I'm sexy. I don't think I'm sexy. I don't think I'm sexy. And I'm not even white. Imagine that.
You sure look sexy, but
No.
yeah, I like this one.
Yeah, not bad. You can ask me now.
No, that's the other one.
Oh, there's the other one? Oh.
It's outside.
Why do they all look the same to me? Where's the other one?
Just eating.
Oh, that was the one who's eating. She's the one who's asking me how the food is she's eating. No woman is why? Why no woman?
Maybe it's kind of ano.
Oh, they bring woman.
Oh, maybe there's another one, not this one. Not
What? Who?
the puppies. This is the puppies.
Yeah. Oh.
Ah, this is ban pala.
No, no. The bar and the grill.
I thought there's another entrance. This is it. Just like
You just start. Why no woman in here? No, why no woman, only men?
I don't know why.
No, they bring women to bed.
No, he's talking about the woman.
No, no, I said they bring their girlfriend. So, oh, excuse me, can you go leave?
No.
Yeah, she said not allowed.
No, don't say
Ah,
that.
why you say that?
I don't say that.
No, she's talking about the other.
They bring it here. The wife, the
freelance.
girlfriend, they bring it here.
Say that again?
The wife and the girlfriend, they bring it here.
But not from outside here? No.
No.
Why?
I don't
No,
know.
why? I'm okay. Okay. If I bring somebody, I cannot bring.
You can bring, of course.
Do that?
Yeah.
You're our customer, so.
They have wives, so of course they're gonna bring you one.
But be careful,
Who?
don't bring with.
No, but listen. Yeah, you're right. But listen, who brings a wife to Angeles City?
No, I went to gym before,
That's
okay?
why they only give me one towel. Right? Only one person, one towel, one bottle of water. And I'm paying for two.
You didn't know that, ano?
I'm
Oh
paying
yeah,
for two.
maybe mostly coming here, they don't have a girlfriend, they don't have a wife
Of course,
with
who
them.
brings wife here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're the lucky one. Oh no, you're not
No,
married.
you're not married, so that's why it's okay. Girlfriend is okay.
Of course.
A wife, no
No,
allowed.
no, no, no.
So you better leave your wife.
If you like this, you can finish it. But I'm gonna drink Mabini. This first guy looks like the Joe. I guess because we're sitting here, his face is round like the Joe, but Joe is more ugly. Big Joe. Yeah, Joe.
You're not making vlog, ah?
Oh, yeah? Oh my god.